hundreds of dangers await, and I don't want to miss one.
Bed extender.
Combustion fires.
This is the ugly side.
It's time to say something. Where we at? As you can probably already see, part of the ceiling is up, which is amazing because, yeah, we tried the magnet method. It did not work. It might work if you don't have lots of cables running on the top, but just any little weight and it's just like kind of sticks, but then it doesn't. So we put some cross beams in and screwed it in. Yeah, yesterday it was a whole thing with a mattress, Facebook Marketplace. I specifically asked if it contains fiberglass or not, because many nowadays do somehow. And she said no, and I was like, okay, great. I picked it up, it was a whole thing. And then when I got here in the sun, I saw all the little fiberglass particles. I first was kind of like contemplating if we can use it, because I don't like dumping things. No way. Then I had to clean the van, wiped everything down a few times, I had to take a shower. I might pick up another mattress from IKEA. IKEA mattresses don't have fiberglass, and it's especially important for van builders because usually you have to cut your mattress to size with a knife. That was a lot of rambling about a mattress. Let me show you around real quick. This is a little reclaimed bamboo piece that I found. We might have to add a little flap on the top there. Ceiling, it's great. Not perfect, like this is the area that annoys me the most, that like a little piece broke off there, but it's okay. Just don't look at it. This is the setup for the slats. They're not attached yet. This is the pull-out portion for Kevin. I first will poly those just to make the ride a little smoother. I'm gonna leave the rest pure.
Oh yeah. Slides. That's our slat bed extender.
Those are to hold the mattress. I'm gonna have like a little bed flap because I don't need as much.
Nice.
Okay. This is our bench. Kevin designed that, and yeah, we're gonna have a table that flips up here too because this is gonna be our dish pit. That's our shelf. My plan is to kind of caulk some things, some holes, because yeah, like you see, it's like reused from other things, but it's perfect. Yeah, but we still have to, you know, of course, add some like support beams in the center and stuff. And then I guess I'm going to caulk and yeah, listen to some music. Water's always changing, always flowing. Once more. This was in here already. The shelves that go in here are old growth fir, some old plywood that was not in great shape, really nice, but also not really straight. Also already in here. This was also reused, as you see, old. Like everything is old wood, and yeah, we're so happy. Rivals back home. It's not that I'm bitter, but think how they squirm when they see how I glitter. But still I cannot see if the savage one is me. And we are all connected to each other. the countertops for this and this, we already kind of have them cut out. Super old wood. First, they have been decomposing on the forest floor for like many years, or starting to decompose. Then Kevin's dad took them and made lumber out of them, and that is like 20 years ago, something like that. You know, it looks really cool. Sink and stall.
Yeah, done.
Done. So this is an honor man sink. It requires you to, let's say this is the countertop. So there's some clamps and you have to like screw into the countertop 1/2 inch. And our real countertop is a little thicker, but still a little too thin to, to screw in. So we decided to mount it differently and just kind of like hold it in place with some supporting beams. We're also gonna have something to like support it here, and then here there's gonna be some shelves, maybe drawers, so we don't know yet, but something to use that space. Some pocket hole screws in here, and we also want to do along this side to keep it from sliding. We glued it together, put some gas, it is definitely not straight, so we'll have to kind of like suck it down, hopefully. Now the challenge is to measure the right hole size for this. It's messy, but I think I got it. I think I'm just gonna cut it halfway through. It is really unnerving. At the line, also here. Ugh, whatever. We got a sinkhole. I hope it's right that you have to make it worse before you can make it better. Hope this will fix it. Now we are going to apply tung oil on all our countertops and like a cutting board. There's different ways to do it. We saw this Australian dude just wiping it on with his hands, and it's apparently probably safe for your skin if you don't have a lot of allergic reactions all the time, and if you're not allergic to nuts, because this is like a nut tree product. Only do this with 100% pure tung oil. Just gonna shake it. That smells good. It's not very nutty. Pour it on. Yes. Oops. So yeah, I'm trying to not get it onto other, and like I'm just just rubbing it in with both of my hands. Oh, it feels great because everything that it touches, kind of like if you do it with a rag or with a brush, you do have to clean it with like soap and water thoroughly, because it can cause combustion fires, spontaneous combustion fires when it dries. That's why I'm trying to just save on one more thing that I have to wash. This is the bad side. So we're starting with the bad side, and then we're turning it around and then letting it dry on the bad side down. So we just applied a little more after we did those, because after like a couple minutes you see that there's some thirsty spots. They just dry much faster, and then you just kind of try to even it out. See, this is getting thirsty. Let's turn them around and do the other sides. And then you're supposed to wait like an hour. Some people wait 24 hours, but we're not gonna do everything that
Someone
this
waited 20
Australian
minutes.
guy. Oh yeah, right. Yeah.
Seems like there's a lot of different ways you can do this.
Yeah.
It also seems like it's probably pretty hard to mess it up.
Probably, but if you leave like a big slob of the oil on there to dry forever, then it might.
Yeah, it does harden.
Yeah, it does harden a bit.
It penetrates into the wood and then hardens.
It's been an hour now. There's some wet spots still and some dry spots. I'm just gonna wipe everything away now with just a cut up t-shirt. After that, you're gonna wait 24 hours and then you're gonna do that again and again.
Dry, let it dry.
I want a paper towel, I don't want to wait. And now silicone. How much silicone? Should I just do like a little
Nice thick bead.
thick? Let's put it on. Screw this puppy in. Oh god, it's so much silicone. Still dirty, I don't know.
You want to use this other alcohol pad?
I'm too afraid to put any moisture on there. Kevin building a cabinet. Similar. Perfect? I don't know yet.
What is perfect?
Exactly. I don't even know how to comment this video. It's just just
This is not
doing
the most exciting part.
stuff. It's not really a lot to learn from.
We don't know what we're doing.
Not really. Just get one of those square things and try to make things as square as possible. You learn things you never knew. Okay, now what? Now you're gonna screw in here?
Yeah. Drill, countersink, screw.
Those clams are a lifesaver. Getting close.
Perfect.
This is the ugly side of the cabinet.
It looks so
So
pretty.
professional. Yeah, but it all has a reason why we just did that. Oh boy. Is it supporting now? No. Let's drill it in.
Yeah, that's not quite right.
How does it how does it matter?
Well, this is just slightly angled like this. Just slightly. Yeah, it's square, but you can have the whole rectangle is slightly shifted like this.
No one is gonna notice.
Yeah, that's true.
Like no one. It looks good.
Yeah, basically it's just that.
Yeah, it's like 1/16, not even. It's like 1 millimeter.
It's not exact. 15 and a half. This is 16, so 16 is more important.
Okay, well, I guess the square is not always your main source of truth. Oh, I can't show the people that
You're gonna blame it all on me.
It's this wall. Because this wall is just like, it's not straight. It does not line up with this. And that's why this is just not gonna be straight. This does not line up. This is just reality of a van built with wood.
Right,